Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Hyundai Bluelink connected car step by step clearly. To disable Hyundai Bluelink, start your vehicle and ensure it's in park. Locate the Bluelink button. It's typically found on the rearview mirror or near the overhead console. Press and hold the Bluelink button for about 5 seconds. Wait for the audio prompt to confirm the action. Once confirmed, the system will begin the disabling process. Next, access the user settings on your car's touchscreen. Find the Settings option in the menu. Select Connected Services from the list. You will see an option for Bluelink. Tap on the Bluelink option to open its settings. Look for the option to disable or cancel your subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation. Ensure you receive a confirmation on the screen. Once confirmed, your Bluelink services will be disabled. If you have any issues, refer to the owner's manual or contact customer support. After disabling, you may want to clear your personal information. Navigate to the Profile section in the Settings menu. Select Delete Profile if necessary. Confirm the deletion to remove all personal data. Your Hyundai Bluelink is now disabled and your information is cleared. You can reactivate Bluelink at any time if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.